We're on.
We're on, people. Showtime. Yeah, not right in front of the horses, hiding from the camera. Yeah, like that. Okay. Horrendous. Get out of our pocket. So mean. Is that healthy? Okay. You don't like my edge? You can't come in and be laughing. Kendall, get it together. Okay. Calm your tits. I told you you're gonna want to hit me. Okay. We are going to travel around the North Island. We're going to start in Taupo and move across. Oh shit, where am I going? I think from now on, just go with it. Yeah, just go. Just go with it, people. You should have this. You didn't last time. You can do that. We also only have very thin saddle blankets. Need some nice thick ones so they're cushy on the horse's ass. And some changes to them. That's the reward. Oh yeah. Do you want to talk or? Can I? Yeah. Right.
Shake it out.
Oh, what about the difficult person I'm sexually? What? What now? We didn't. A SCPPP, otherwise known as Super Cool Personalised.
Good work. Right. You like a magic, didn't you?
Just say, please find us on Facebook. The link is on the page.
On the page, bitches!
That's it.
Thanks, guys.